friends, today I have a guest.
Welcome back to the Explorers.
We're gonna meet animals of all kinds, big, small, fast, and funny.
And guess what? They all have silly sounds and cool tricks.
Let's jump in.
And have fun.
Cows make sound like moo.
What about kangaroo?
Dogs bark.
They do that at the park.
Dogs are our best friends.
They love us till the end.
Fish love to kiss.
And make a yummy dish.
There are goats.
That they don't wear coats.
Lions are the kings.
But don't wear rings. Horses are the fastest.
And their hair are the softest. I love sharks.
Because they live in the dark.
Cheeks are the cutest. But definitely not the fastest.
I don't care about the sun.
I just have fun.
Wow, that was so much fun. Did you see all the animals?
I love the chicks. They're too cute. And the lions are the kings, but still funny without the rings.
Thanks for joining us on our animal adventure.
Don't forget to like, share, and
come back for more fun.
See you later, explorers!